Ever heard of black seed oil? It's a natural remedy that has been used for centuries, yet many are unaware of its incredible health benefits. This ancient elixir, derived from the Nigella sativa plant, has been a staple in traditional medicine throughout history, from the Middle East to Asia. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and so much more. Whether you're seeking to boost your immunity, improve digestion, or simply nourish your skin and hair, black seed oil is a secret weapon. Let's delve into the myriad of health benefits that this potent oil offers. First off, black seed oil is an antioxidant powerhouse. It shields our cells from oxidative stress and premature aging, acting as a protective barrier. This oil is like a treasure chest of antioxidants, always ready to defend our cells from damage. Now let's talk about inflammation. Black seed oil is a true anti-inflammatory wonder. It can help soothe inflamed joints, providing much-needed relief for those with arthritis and similar conditions. It's like a balm for your body, calming and soothing wherever it's needed. When it comes to boosting your immune system, black seed oil is a real game changer. With its antimicrobial and antiviral properties, it helps your body fight off infections and illnesses. It's like having an extra line of defense, always on guard to keep you healthy. Supporting digestive health is another of its superpowers. It aids in digestion, reduces bloating, and promotes a healthy gut environment. It's like having a personal trainer for your gut, helping it perform at its best. Black seed oil is also a heart health ally. It helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and supports overall cardiovascular function. Think of it as a loyal friend, always looking out for your heart's well-being. And let's not forget about skin and hair nourishment. Black seed oil can promote a clear complexion and provide hydration. It also strengthens hair and encourages growth. It's like a spa treatment, nourishing and rejuvenating from the inside out. For those with respiratory issues, black seed oil can be a breath of fresh air. It may alleviate symptoms of asthma and allergies, promoting easier breathing. It's like a soothing breeze, helping you breathe easier. Enhancing cognitive function is another feather in its cap. It supports mental clarity and focus, acting like a brain booster, keeping your mind sharp and clear. When it comes to weight management, black seed oil can be your secret weapon. It boosts metabolism and may reduce appetite, aiding in your weight loss efforts. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it effective against harmful bacteria and fungal infections, protecting your overall health. And research suggests black seed oil may have anti-cancer properties, inhibiting tumor growth and promoting cell health. Last but not least, black seed oil is easy to integrate into your daily health routine. Whether added to your meals or used topically, it's a versatile addition to your health routine. These are just some of the remarkable benefits of black seed oil, a true gift from nature. In summary, black seed oil is a versatile and potent natural remedy, offering a host of health benefits. From being an antioxidant powerhouse to an anti-inflammatory wonder, it boosts immunity, aids digestion, and supports heart health. It nourishes the skin and hair, enhances cognitive function, and even aids in weight management. Its antibacterial, antifungal, and potential anti-cancer properties further underscore its potency. Whether added to meals or used topically, black seed oil is a versatile addition to your health routine. Discover the hidden powers of black seed oil for a healthier, more vibrant you. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth.